California divorce petition mistake number 1, not listing your name exactly the same way on the summons petition. If you list your names differently, when you get to the judgment portion, it will become rejected. And then what you'll have to do is start over and amend your summons petition to fix your names. California divorce petition mistakes number 2, where it says dissolution of, you need to mark a selection, either dissolution of marriage, dissolution of domestic partnership, etc. We see tons of people who start their own divorce who just put dissolution and then don't mark dissolution of what. California divorce petition mistakes number 3, not listing a date of separation. When we get people that did their own divorce and we see they didn't fill that out, they say, well, we weren't separated when we filed. You need to have a date of separation when you file your petition, or you need to amend it or the judgment will be rejected. California divorce petition mistakes number 4, not putting the duration of marriage or domestic partnership in the petition. You're listing the date of marriage and date of separation and then not doing the math and listing the years and months of marriage. Make sure you do that, or it will cause the judgment to reject. California divorce petition mistakes number 5. You cannot petition for more than one issue. Either petition for dissolution of marriage or dissolution of domestic partnership. Not both. Doing so will cause your judgment to be rejected. California divorce petition mistake number 6. If you have both a domestic partnership and a marriage and you're filing for divorce, do not list in statistical facts dates of both the domestic partnership and the marriage. You would only list them for one. California divorce petition mistake number 7. You only list minor children of the marriage. If you are married and both of you have children from different relationships, those children do not get listed on your California divorce petition. California divorce petition mistake number 8. If you have an unborn child and are currently pregnant, make sure to indicate that on the petition under the minor children heading.